Here we will see connection object in ADO.NET. Connection object is used to establish a connection with the database. Most common connection objects are OLEDB connection, SQL connection, Oracle connection, and ODBC connection. Commonly used property of connection object is connection string, which is used to provide information such as data source, database name, which is used to establish the connection with the database. Connection string is used to gain access to different data source from VB.NET or C# application. It can be MS Access, SQL Server or remote server. Connection string is a series of name or value of settings separated by semicolon. It requires information such as location of database, database name, database authentication mechanism, and it also consists of a provider which allows to specify driver which can access the data source in binary form. With provider, we can set up a connection from an application and gain access to the database. Different data providers that can be used in applications are system.data.sql client, which provides data access for SQL server, system.data.oledb, that is object linking and embedding database, which allows accessing data from a variety of sources in a uniform manner, which is used to support variety of non-relational database such as object database, DBMS like Axis, spreadsheet that do not necessarily implement SQL. Then system.data.oracle client, which is used for Oracle database, and system.data.odbc, which is used to connect data source by ODBC. Connection strings for OLEDB provider for access with star.mdb is connection string. The provider for star.mdb is Microsoft.jet.oledb.4.0. Then data source is the database name with extension, user ID and password. User ID and password are optional. If you are given the password to the database, then only you need to provide your user ID and password. For example, here connection string equal to provider Microsoft.jet.oledb.4.0. Data source is a location for your database, that is C drive, your path name and the database name with extension. All these are separated with semicolon. Connection string for the access with extension star.accdb is Microsoft.ace.oledb 12.0. This is the provider for access file star.accdb. The connection string is same, but the only provider is different. Then for connection string for SQL server is, here data source name is a server name, initial catalog is your database name and user authentication with user ID and password. For example, connection string equal to data source equal to localhost / SQL Express, which is a server name. Then initial catalog is a database name, user ID and password. If you are making the connection with the ODBC driver, then connection string equal to the data source name. You can create a DSN using ODBC driver and specify the name here. While creating, if you have specified the password, give your password. If you are using the ODBC driver, whatever backend you use, that is Access, SQL, the commands will be same. For example, connection string equal to DSN name, password equal to password that you are given while creating the DSN. To make connection with MS Access, first you have to import the system.data.old file and then define a string my connection equal to provider, your provider name and the database name. Then create the object for OLEDB connection from this OLEDB class, that is OLEDB connection. Connection is a variable that I have declared for connection. So OLEDB connection equal to new OLEDB connection with your string, that is with your provider, and make connection.open.